Hello viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Your Pen Hair Fashion. I hope you are fine and doing good. First of all, I would like to tell you that in my videos, I will show you trendy haircuts and hair dye ideas all over the world, which makes you look more presentable. If you want to see the latest haircuts and hair colors, friends, then watch my video till the end and do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. You will be notified by my new videos. So guys, in this video I'm gonna show you beige hair color. Guys, this is very pretty and decent color for every girl. As you guys seen in the picture, this is very pretty. Guys, please watch my video till the end for more information. As you guys seen in the pictures, this is really pretty and very convenient for every girl with every hairs. Guys, please watch my video till the end so that you do not miss any haircut and hair dye idea. And if you want to get this haircut or hair color, take a screenshot of a hair color which you want. By saving the picture, you can easily get this haircut or hair dye from any parlor. After watching the video, you must throw a comment in the comment section that you like my videos, my channel, and suggest to me some good ideas for haircuts and hair colors which you want. I will be very happy to follow your comments and I will make a video for you. Thank you so much guys for trusting on me. Guys, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon that you will be notified by my new videos. Friends, please watch my video till the end. This is very informative video for you all. And if you like my videos, share my videos on your social media accounts. Share it with your friends so that they can visit my YouTube channel and watch the amazing videos and get amazing ideas for haircuts and hair colors. I will continue making more informative videos. Guys, please watch and support my videos. Guys, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon that you will be notified by my new videos. Guys, please watch my videos till the end. This is very informative videos for you all. Guys, please share my videos with your family members and friends and support my channel. So guys, that's all in this video. See you guys.